Namaste everyone. Thank you very much for checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you use MCPI, right? Which is one of the libraries that you can use for connecting your server to Minecraft and then controlling it with the help of Python coding, right? So let's dive into the lecture and let's see how can we do it. So as you can see, I already have downloaded the Spigot server on my device, and these are all the files which you're going to see when you will first download it on your device. What I'm going to do, whatever folders, whatever files I'm showing you, I'm going to put the link for accessing these files and folders in the description of the video, so you guys can just download it from there, right? So this is how the setup looks like of the server. Then we have another thing over here, which is Minecraft. So what you have to do, you have to simply download this Minecraft launcher from your laptop's app store, right? And once you're through with it, it is going to redirect you to a page where it will ask you to log in into the portal. So you can log in with the help of your Microsoft account. And let me just tell you one thing, that if you are working with MCPI, then you need to have the professional version of this Minecraft, because in demo you cannot access that multiplayer option which is required for controlling the Minecraft environment with the help of Python coding, right? So there is a server in between, right? And then at one end there is Minecraft, and at the other hand there is the platform on which you're going to put the Python code. Now for connecting these two things, you'll have to use this Spigot server, and I will show you how can you do it. So after installing Minecraft, it will redirect you to a page like this, right? You can manually also, you can open it the way I have showed you just now. Then once it is done, you need to just select 1.152 version from here. How you will do it, let me just show you that too. So you have to come on installations, right? And here you can simply search for 1.15. Okay, so this is what it is showing, but no, this is not the actual way to install it. Okay, I need to come on new installation, and here you can find all the versions of Minecraft. So for now, I would like to tell you about 1.15.2, right? It totally depends on you. If you want to use an upgraded version, you can go with an upgraded one. But in this one, I'm going to show you how you can use this 1.15.2. So you have to simply, select it, and then you can, name something, give a name to your installation. And after that, you can hit this create option. And once you're through with it, it is going to show you this option which you have created over here in this place section, right? So 1.15.2 I created some days back. So this is what I'm going to use here. Now, why I'm able to see this play option here, because I am using a professional version of Minecraft, which I purchased for 2000 rupees, right? I didn't purchase it. Basically, there is a person who purchased it, and he gave the licenses to me, right? So without this, if you don't have the professional version, if you don't have the enterprise version, you won't be able to access that multiplayer option which is required for connecting the server to Minecraft. So when you will hit this play option, it will start downloading that enterprise version, right? Because I already have it on my device, so that download will not be visible to you. But here you can see the Minecraft is right now preparing the environment I can connect my server with, right? So by the time this thing is happening, let me just take you to the server and show you how can you run your server. So Minecraft, So you need to open this folder. I'm going to share it in the description section, so don't worry about it. And then you have to come inside this Spigot 1.15.2. Now here you have to click and simply you have to write CMD. It will open for you this command prompt. And here you have to write start Minecraft server, right? What is this? This is this bat file. It is referring to this bat file here, which is named as start Minecraft server. So this is what we use for starting the Minecraft server. Simply you have to write it down like this, and then you have to execute the enter button, and rest everything will be done by command prompt. Okay, let's see what is going on in Minecraft. Okay, I think we'll be able to see that Minecraft window very soon. Loading libraries. So the libraries which are required are currently getting loaded. It's going to take a bit of time, so you guys can go and have a cup of tea or coffee. Okay, so this is Minecraft and it is also currently loading. Let me tell you this thing again, that if you are using a free version, you will not be able to see that multiplayer option you must have seen in a couple of videos. In this also, you are going to see the same multiplayer version because I have the enterprise version installed in my device. That's the reason you will see it on mine. Otherwise, otherwise it doesn't come with demo version. Fine. So if you want to work with MCPI, you need to have the enterprise version installed on your device. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect the server with Minecraft. There is a tutorial, in which Minecraft 1.12, is taken, and it has been showed in that video. How can you connect Minecraft 1.12 with Spigot 1.12? But once you are through with it, what is going to happen? See, you will be able to connect it successfully with Minecraft. But when you will fire the Python commands from your idle shell or any text editor, the server will show you an error, right? So I have tried everything. And that's the best I have come across. And the only reason why I took enterprise version of Minecraft is because I was not able to connect the demo version with the server, right? I tried a lot, but I was not able to do it. I was failing again and again. And finally, that's the solution I came across. Okay, so my Minecraft is here. Let's come on multiplayer. So this is the option I was talking about some while back. So you need to hit this multiplayer. And because I've already used it a couple of times in the past, so Minecraft server is getting reflected. But when you will open it for the first time, you're going to see a blank window like this. Let me just delete the server. I'm going to show you what all steps you can follow for connecting this Minecraft environment with the Spigot server. So right now, this is completely blank, and that's the kind of window you will get to see when you will open it for the first time, right? Let's see the status of server. Okay, it is right now not on. It is still taking, it is initializing basically the resources it requires for handling the Minecraft environment. So let's wait for some time, right? And by the time, let me just show you, by the time the server is getting loaded, let me show you how can you connect this server with Minecraft. So what you have to do, you have to come on add server, and here you can simply write local host, because your server is on your local host, right? We are not hosting it online. So this is what you can write here. Then you can click OK. Let's see what's going to happen. So you can see it is Minecraft is pinging, is sending some packets to this server, right? And it's present locally on our device, but we are not able to see any kind of response from the server. See, this red cross is telling us that the server is not responding. So basically, we have to wait for some time till the server gets loaded. So all these things you will get to see when you will do it for the first time, or whenever you will connect the server with Minecraft, you will see all these things happening in command prompt, in the command prompt. And let me just show you how the interface of server looks like. So that's our server, and preparing spawn area, you can see here it is preparing for us the area we require for our Minecraft coding. It is actually a brilliant and a mind-blowing thing. You will surely love it a lot. When I did it for the first time, I find it very difficult, but if you will follow my videos, definitely you will be able to handle each and everything. What I'm going to do after this video, I'm going to put some projects on my channel, so you can use those projects for understanding the coding which is required for understanding how can we control the environment of Minecraft, right? So I'll be putting the link of each project in the description of the video of that project, so you don't have to worry about anything. The code will be there. I'm giving you the server also, I'm giving you the Minecraft also, not the enterprise version, of course. I'll not be able to provide you that, but definitely you can purchase it, and then you can use all these methods I'm showing you in these videos for learning MCPI and MCPI API connections. Okay, I think my server is up. I can use it now. Let's come on the Minecraft. Okay, so once this message comes for help, type help, it means that the server is ready. And now you can try and connect it with your Minecraft. Now how you'll do it? So again, you have to, I just double click here on this bar, and that's how you can enlarge the size of the screen. So I'm going to cancel it for now, and let's see if we can just receive some response from the server. So I need to refresh it. Okay, and as you can see now, the signals are there, right? The green signals are there. The red cross is no more visible to us. It means that the Minecraft can be connected to the server. Let's see whether we can do it or not. So join server, I need to connect. I need to do for joining the server, and okay. Joining world, loading terrain, fine. Let me just decrease the size of the screen and show you exactly what is happening behind the Minecraft on the server. So you can see here, UUID of player God of Jan 126. That is me, of course. So a unique ID has been generated by the server, right? Which is this, and logged in with entity ID 334. Okay, so I've successfully logged into Minecraft. Now I can, okay, it shows timeout. Maybe possible that you may come across something like this, but no problem. You can try and connect to the server again like this. Simply double click the server, and rest everything will be done by Minecraft. Please leave your comments in the description section, and do let me know whether you like the video or not. In case you want any help, you can contact me on the number which I'm going to provide you guys in the description section of the video, so you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see here, it says God of Jan 126 joined the game. So I successfully joined the game, and now I can play it, right? So this is it from my side in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to share everything, whatever I have used in the description section in the form of a link, and you can then use it for your information. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.